we started with a 14-pound turkey that we cleaned, and here it is. We use Creole butter Cajun injector. Thoroughly inject the turkey with the Cajun injector Creole butter. And that's what we're going to do here. Once it's injected, then you cover it liberally with Tony Chachere's Cajun spices. This just tastes pretty damn good after you get done frying it, and you got that nice crispy skin. Before you even start with the turkey, you should take it, put it in the pot, fill it with water so you know what the level of grease you need to have. So once you have the turkey in the pot, the water in there, remove the turkey and then mark the line where the oil has to be so that you don't overfill it and have a grease fire. Heat the oil to 350 degrees. Once it's at a steady 350 degrees, you can put the turkey in, as shown here, and then you let it cook 3 minutes per pound. So 14-pound turkey, 42 minutes at 350 degrees. You notice we have a thermometer in there so that we can make sure that we maintain the right temperature for the turkey. And here is the result of that lovely fried turkey. Good luck, and I hope it works out for you.
Real mouthy dog.